While working at Grade One Bank, I was working on a trend detection analysis for wafer testing data. We typically receive wafer testing data every half an hour, and it goes to the system, and then we have this, and we run some queries and aggregations to find the trends. However, I noticed that this trend detection process is taking longer. It's taking hours, which is delaying the report, and which in turn is ultimately delaying the informed decision making process. So these data analysts rely on these trends to make quick decisions to improve the wafer testing process. I was tasked with identifying the inefficiency in the process to get as much real time updates as possible. I went and analyzed the wafer analyzed that the analysis process. I found out that all this data goes and gets stored in SQL database, and the analysis happens in the SQL database. Like all this joins and all the aggregations happen in the SQL database, which is which is very ineffective because SQL database is not good for running queries on large data sets, and this is kind of big data. So the queries are taking so long, and it's leading to the delayed updates on the UI. So I brainstormed some of the solutions which can make this process efficient, and I Elastic proposed using Elasticsearch. Elasticsearch is ideal for this use case because first it is a real-time data, and it is like a huge volumes of data, and then we need to run some of the aggregations and do the analysis on the data based on some of the business logic that we have. And Elasticsearch accommodates all these requirements, and it will be very efficient to switch to Elasticsearch from SQL database. Um, Also, we are using Elasticsearch already in our ecosystem for the log analysis and searching. So so we can also prevent something from scratch, right? Instead of figuring out a solution from scratch, we can already leverage the existing architecture that Elasticsearch. We can add some more database capabilities to it, or some more data to it, and we can add a couple of nodes to it so that it can accommodate this data as well, and so that we can leverage it for analysis and querying capabilities. um, I talked to the management. I created a small presentation showcasing all the benefits of Elasticsearch and how this fits our use case. After going through all the benefits and discussions, they kind of agreed to this approach, and we started implemented this. Uh, I I created the tables and all the necessary queries for the analysis, and we were able to significantly improve the we were able to significantly improve the query processing time. So the report, the insights generation reduced from hours to minutes. So the UI keep updating every 10 minutes instead of hours. So previously, prior to this change, since the queries take more time, the UI only updated every 1 hour or every 2 hours. But now we're able to achieve this kind of real time trend detection, so using Elasticsearch. Finally, this project is a huge success, and the management appreciated my initiative to kind of bring this proposal and implementing it to the end. Yeah, we were able to, as a result, we were able to significantly improve the query detection process, query improve the query runtime, and you are able to bring down the trend detection process so that it can generate new trends. Thank you.